published 2 months ago. Will a government response to publish before this committee finalize its report in November?
That's ultimately a matter for ministers to decide, but I am reasonably confident that we would be able to publish a response before then, yes.
How would you describe the current balance between autonomy and accountability within ICS structure?
Yes, and this is one of the sort of perennial issues that we sort of debate really within the system and have done for some years. I think one of the things that the review talked about was the importance of recognising that you can have high autonomy and high accountability. Those two things are not necessarily sort of at odds with each other. I think it's also true that as we particularly look at the demography, as I was emphasising earlier, the interdependency between different parts of the system is a stronger feature of the challenge that we now face. Organisational autonomy is perhaps less important than organisational collaboration and interdependence than perhaps it was. There's also the question, which I think also getting out there between, if you like, the centre or the national part of the system and systems themselves and localities, and the extent to which we sort of constrain what can be done at system and local level by the things that we ask of them. And again, that is something which is a long-standing debate. And I think we have tried, and NHS England have tried, to sort of be quite focused in the things that we ask of systems. So if you look at the planning guidance that NHS England issued in December, that was quite self-consciously, and yeah, they said as much at the time, an attempt to be quite focused and clear about what they were asking for from the centre, precisely because there's a recognition that, as someone once said, I think, from one of the systems, if you've seen one integrated care system, then you've seen one integrated care system. They are all different, and they have different populations, different needs, different strategies, and so giving them some room is quite an important imperative in the way we work.
Baroness Armstrong would like to follow up.
Primary